Chocolate. The word alone brings smiles to faces around the world. This sweet treat, enjoyed in countless forms, starts its journey as a humble bean. From rich dark chocolate to creamy milk chocolate, the process of making this delicacy is a fascinating journey. So let's explore the incredible transformation from bean to bar, step by delicious step. Ready? Let's get started. Our chocolate adventure begins in warm, tropical regions near the equator. Cocoa beans, the stars of our show, grow on cacao trees. These trees need plenty of sunshine and rain to thrive. Planters nurture these trees, providing shade and care. They harvest the ripe cocoa pods, which look like colorful footballs, from the trunks and branches. Inside each pod, you'll find rows of cocoa beans nestled in a sweet white pulp. This pulp is a tasty treat, often enjoyed fresh right on the farm. After harvesting, the real magic begins: fermentation. The beans, still coated in pulp, are piled in heaps and covered. Natural yeasts and bacteria work their magic, creating heat and transforming the pulp into alcohol. This process is crucial for developing the rich, complex flavors we associate with chocolate. Fermentation can take several days. The beans are regularly turned and aerated to ensure even fermentation. This step is like a dance between nature and human intervention, resulting in flavorful beans ready for the next stage. Once the beans have fermented, it's time for a sunbath. The beans are spread out in the sun to dry. This removes excess moisture and prevents mold growth. As they dry, the beans turn a deep brown color. The drying process can take several days to weeks depending on the weather. During drying, the beans are regularly turned to ensure even drying. This step is crucial for developing the final flavor profile of the chocolate. The aroma of drying cocoa beans is intoxicating, filling the air with a rich, chocolatey scent. It's a true sensory experience. Section 5. Roasting time, waking up the chocolate flavor. Now let's awaken those chocolatey flavors. The journey of transforming raw cocoa beans into the rich, aromatic chocolate we love begins with roasting. The dried beans are roasted at carefully controlled temperatures. This process is essential to develop the beans' full potential. Roasting develops the characteristic chocolate flavor and aroma. The heat causes complex chemical reactions within the beans, unlocking their hidden flavors. Different roasts bring out different flavor profiles, from nutty to fruity. Light roasts might highlight bright, acidic notes, while darker roasts can bring out deeper, more robust flavors. The roasting time and temperature are crucial. Each batch of beans requires a unique approach, tailored to its specific characteristics. Too short, and the flavor remains underdeveloped. The beans will lack the depth and complexity that define high-quality chocolate. Too long, and the beans burn, creating an unpleasant taste. Over-roasting can result in bitter, ashy flavors that overpower the natural sweetness of the cocoa. It's a delicate dance of heat and time, guided by the roaster's expertise. The roaster must constantly monitor and adjust the process to ensure the beans reach their peak flavor. The air fills with the intoxicating aroma of roasting cocoa, signaling that transformation into chocolate is well underway. This aroma is a promise of the delicious flavors to come, a testament to the roaster's skill and the beans' journey from raw to roasted perfection. Section 6. From beans to liquid gold, making cocoa mass. The journey of chocolate begins with the humble cocoa bean, a small but mighty seed that holds the secret to one of the world's most beloved flavors. After roasting, the beans are cracked open to remove the outer shells, leaving behind the nibs, the heart of the chocolate flavor. This process is crucial as it separates the valuable nibs from the less desirable shell, ensuring that only the best parts of the bean are used. These nibs are then ground into a thick paste called cocoa mass or cocoa liquor. The grinding process is intense and thorough, breaking down the nibs into a smooth, rich paste that forms the foundation of all chocolate products. Don't let the name fool you. There's no alcohol in this liquor. The term liquor here simply refers to the liquid state of the ground nibs, a crucial step in transforming solid beans into a versatile ingredient. The grinding generates heat, melting the cocoa butter in the nibs, turning the mixture into a liquid. This natural cocoa butter is what gives chocolate its smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture, making it an essential component of the final product. This cocoa mass is incredibly versatile. It can be used in a variety of ways, from making dark chocolate bars to being mixed with milk and sugar to create milk chocolate. Its applications are nearly endless. allowing chocolatiers to craft a wide range of delicious treats. It forms the base for all our favorite chocolate treats. Whether it's a simple chocolate bar, a decadent truffle, or a rich chocolate cake, cocoa mass is the key ingredient that brings these delights to life. It's amazing to think that this rich, dark liquid started its journey as humble beans. From the careful selection and roasting of the beans to the meticulous grinding and melting process, each step is a testament to the craftsmanship and dedication involved in making high-quality chocolate. The transformation from bean to liquid gold is a fascinating journey, one that highlights the complexity and beauty of chocolate production. Section 7. Smooth operator refining chocolate for the perfect texture. Remember that gritty texture in some chocolates? We don't want that. That's where refining comes in. The cocoa mass is passed through rollers to break down the cocoa particles, creating a smooth, velvety texture. This process can take hours, even days, to achieve the desired fineness. The size of the particles affects the mouthfeel of the chocolate. The finer the particles, the smoother the chocolate. This step is crucial for creating a luxurious, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate experience. Section 8. Tempering time. Giving chocolate its snap. Tempering might sound complicated, but it's all about controlling the crystallization of cocoa butter. Chocolate is carefully heated, cooled, and heated again to specific temperatures. This process ensures the cocoa butter solidifies in a stable crystal structure, giving the chocolate a glossy shine, a satisfying snap, and a smooth melt. Proper tempering is essential for professional-looking and tasting chocolate. Untempered chocolate can have a dull appearance, a soft texture, and a grainy mouthfeel. It's a skill honed through practice and precision. Section 9. Molding magic, shaping chocolate into delicious treats. Now for the fun part, molding. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds of all shapes and sizes. From simple bars to intricate designs, the possibilities are endless. Once the chocolate sets, it's carefully demolded, revealing beautiful, shiny chocolate creations. This is where creativity takes center stage. Chocolatiers can add fillings, nuts, fruits, and other ingredients to create a world of flavors and textures. Each piece is a testament to the artistry and passion of the chocolatier. Section 10. From Factory to You: Chocolate's Journey to the Store. The story of chocolate is a fascinating one, filled with intricate processes and dedicated craftsmanship. Let's dive deeper into the final leg of this journey. The final stage of this delicious adventure involves packaging and shipping the chocolate treats. This is where precision and care come into play. Each piece of chocolate is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the highest quality standards before it is packaged. Bars are wrapped in colorful foil, bonbons are nestled in elegant boxes, and truffles are dusted with cocoa powder. The packaging not only protects the chocolate but also adds to its allure, making it a perfect gift or a delightful indulgence for yourself. These treasures are then shipped to stores worldwide, ready to satisfy your chocolate cravings. The logistics involved in this process are impressive, with temperature-controlled containers ensuring the chocolate arrives in perfect condition, no matter the distance. The next time you see a chocolate bar or a box of chocolates, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. From the meticulous packaging to the careful shipping, every step is designed to bring you the best possible product. From the farm to the factory, countless hands have worked their magic to bring you this delightful treat. The journey of chocolate is a testament to the dedication and passion of everyone involved in its creation. So, the next time you take a bite, savor not just the taste, but the story behind it. Section 11. Enjoy every bite, the sweet reward. So the next time you indulge in a piece of chocolate, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took from bean to bar. Remember the farmers who nurtured the cacao trees, the workers who fermented and dried the beans, the roasters who awakened the chocolate flavor, and the chocolatiers who crafted it into a masterpiece. Every bite is a testament to the passion, skill, and artistry that goes into making one of the world's most beloved treats. Enjoy. Pause 2S. Section 12. From bean to bar at home. While the journey of chocolate from farm to store is a fascinating one, did you know that you can recreate this magic at home? To make chocolate from harvested cacao, follow these steps. First, harvest ripe cacao pods from the farm. Next, open the pods to extract the cacao beans. Ferment the beans for several days to develop flavor. After fermentation, dry the beans under the sun. Once dried, roast the beans to bring out the chocolate flavor. Remove the shells to get cacao nibs. Grind the nibs into a paste called cocoa mass. Refine the cocoa mass to achieve a smooth texture. Temper the chocolate to give it a shiny finish and a good snap. Finally, mold the chocolate into desired shapes and let it cool and solidify. Enjoy your homemade chocolate. Pause 2S. Making chocolate at home allows you to appreciate the complexity and craftsmanship involved in every bar. Each step is an opportunity to connect with the ancient tradition of chocolate making and to customize the flavor to your liking. So why not give it a try and experience the sweet reward of your own creation?